Hello everybody, welcome to my Christmas Super Bundle review. I am Brian from NKR Academy, and in this review, I will explain how Christmas Super Bundle can help you in your online business. In a nutshell, Christmas Super Bundle is a complete bundle of 16 high-quality softwares and training released by Jono, Armstrong and Brendan Mace throughout the year 2019. All these products were bestsellers in Warrior Plus platform and are backed by many positive reviews and success stories. Under this special Christmas deal, you are getting all these 16 software apps under the one-time low price tag of $19.97. No recurring monthly fees to be paid ever for this software. These softwares will help you with all aspects of your online business, starting from lead generation, affiliate marketing, high-ticket sale, traffic generation, Google Display Ads, and YouTube ads, and creating sales pages and squeeze pages. In this review, I will show you the entire sales funnel and also explain all the different upsells with my recommendations. I will also reveal my bonuses worth $1,000 which you will get completely free for buying through my link. If you are interested, check out this presentation by Brendan which explains the product in more detail.
What's going on, dudes? You know what? We're pumped. You know why we're pumped today? Because we're in the Christmas spirit. It's the Christmas time, and we decided to do something special for you guys. So since Christmas is all about giving and generosity and getting as much out there to people as possible, this month what we decided to do is give you guys something extra special. 16 of our best-selling products for the price of one product. Is that cool, Taco? Taco wants a treat. He just wants a treat. He doesn't care about the 16 products. But for you guys, getting these game-changing softwares and info programs that are really gonna help you take your business to the next level, that is exactly what the doctor ordered, and that's exactly what Christmas is all about. So if you take a look down below this page, you're gonna see everything that we're giving to you. It's all of our best-selling products of 2019. Each of them has their own individual price tag, but don't worry, because for the next 3 days, that price tag is slashed off, and you're getting the whole bundle for the price of one of these products, which means that you're getting hundreds of dollars worth of awesome softwares, game-changing apps, and info programs to help you in your business. Now, how successful were these products? Well, if you take a look at their track record, their history, they all sold thousands of units. They all became bestsellers on the Warrior Plus network, and they all had major success stories coming out of them because, as you guys know, we only release the best stuff, which is why you're always going to see our products getting the awards and making it onto that bestseller list, right? So here's now an opportunity, but I do warn you, it is only for a limited time. We only have a few day window on this. Somewhere on this page is going to be a countdown timer. It's going to tell you how much time you have left. There is only a small window to pick this up and get all of those products for that one-time price. Now, as always, you can always contact me anytime, ask me any questions that you want, but this is pretty straightforward, guys. For a very short period of time, we're giving you a window to get a bunch of value for a small price. So either way, guys, whether you pick this up or not, I hope you guys have an awesome holidays. Make sure that you stay jolly out there this Christmas year. Have lots of eggnog, hang out with the family, and just have an epic Christmas, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you have an awesome holidays. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.
Hello everybody, Brian here. I hope you enjoyed the presentation by Brendan on Christmas Super Bundle. So, let me explain all the upsells and autos which will be presented to you once you have purchased the front end of Christmas Super Bundle so that you can take an educated decision on whether to pick them or not. The first auto will give you access to the pro version of all 16 softwares under Christmas Super Bundle, and you can pick them at a down sale price of $47. The second auto will give you license rights to all 16 products under Christmas Super Bundle so that you can sell them as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. The third auto will give you agency rights to all 16 products under Christmas Super Bundle so that you can use them as giveaway bonuses for boosting the conversion of affiliate marketing campaigns. The fourth and the final auto will give DIY campaigns for making profits with your affiliate marketing campaigns. So, the funnel is very congruent as all upsells are very useful. My recommendation will be Auto 1 and 3 as these are great offers. So, to summarize here, with your purchase of Christmas Super Bundle, you will be getting 1. 16 high-quality proven software bundle under the low one-time price of $19.97. All these softwares were best sellers in Warrior Plus platform in the year 2019 and they all are proven with a lot of success stories behind them. 2. As a free giveaway bonus for getting Christmas Super Bundle through my link, I will give you bonuses worth $1,000 completely for free. This will contain access to 3 high-quality video softwares called Vidilligence, Vidictive, and Story. I will also give you access to Astra Pro theme and Elementor Pro plugin for building your own website. The full details of all my bonuses can be found in the description of this video. If you like my Christmas Super Bundle review, please like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. We provide regular contents on useful product reviews and different ways of making money online.